Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve image SEO with Unsplash step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of image SEO in enhancing your website's visibility. Visit the Unsplash website to explore its vast library of high-quality images. Choose a relevant keyword that reflects the content of your website or blog post. Search for images on Unsplash using that keyword. Filter the search results to find images that match your brand aesthetic. Once you find an image, download it in the preferred size for your needs. Rename the downloaded image file using descriptive keywords related to your content. Before uploading, optimize the image size using an image compression tool to enhance loading speed. Next, upload the optimized image to your website or blog. Insert the image into your content, ensuring it aligns with the text. Add image alt text that accurately describes the image while incorporating your primary keyword. Make sure to fill in the image title with relevant keywords to further improve SEO. Consider including captions alongside images to provide context and enhance user experience. Link the image to relevant internal or external resources when appropriate. Publish your content and monitor its performance using analytics tools to track improvements. Regularly update your image library with fresh visuals from Unsplash to keep your content engaging. By following these steps, you can effectively enhance your image SEO and improve your overall site performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.